Welcome back to the channel, guys. We just got a grand available. Hopefully we can see it in real time. We're on nickel denomination. We're playing the Eureka Treasure Train. Filled up the screen miraculously. Now we're hoping for some big money. Grand available. It's currently at $18,000. That would be quite the day. Come on, let's see a word. Every jackpot's available. Mini, minor, major, and grand. Let's hope for a big 5-letter word up there. Starts with a G. Come on, baby. Keep it rolling. Keep the train rolling.
Hi, my friend. Hi, my buddy.
Come on, baby. Come on. Keep them ticking. Keep them ticking. Come on. Any word'll do. Love that glitter. Love that glitter, baby. Keep it going. Now, I don't know if a second train rolls out with the jackpot prize or not, so we'll all find out together, I guess. Hopefully. Good bonus so far. Come on. Let's see, does something roll out extra? Extra train roll out, maybe? Oh, something. Let's keep it going. Minor, 250. Let's go. That's huge. Bingo, bango, bongo. Another train? Could there be another train? No. What an amazing, amazing win. That is a $463 win. Eureka Treasure Train. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.